Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well with your studies. In this particular video, we are going to talk about cash book. As in our previous video, we generally talk about ledger. So, ledger is generally first step or the very first step when you prepare your accounts. Okay, so the second one is like along with ledger, we have cash book, which generally deal with the cash transactions of a company. Okay, so cash book that generally keep records of all cash transactions like cash receipt and cash payments. Okay, so that's why it is also known as it is also called the financial newspaper of a company. Okay, so there are so many cash transactions which is generally happen on daily basis in any company or in any organizations. So these all are generally part of your cash book. Okay, so here again a very small video, but it is quite necessary to understand the accountancy process, because these small things which generally contribute a lot toward your studies of accountancy. Okay, so a cash book is a financial newspaper, as I mentioned earlier, because like let's say in a day we there are number of transactions that happen in our office. They pay rent, they pay insurance premium, or they pay it for pantry or others, or even there are some earnings happen through sales or some debt receipt and also these kind of things. Okay, so that's why it is generally known as a financial newspaper. So on daily basis, whatever the cash transactions are going in any organization, which are generally part of your cash book, so which include all cash receipt and disbursement, including bank deposit and withdrawals. After that, entries in the cash book, they are generally added to the journal ledger. So in our previous video, we talk about journal. What is journal? So again, that was the very first step. So along with journal, we also prepared the cash book for a company, which generally or which only include the all cash transactions, inflows and outflows in an organizations. So cash book keep record of all cash transactions, cash receipt and payments. All receipt are recorded on right side. Okay, so which is your right side, which is your credit side, and all payments which on left side, which is a debit side. Okay, so cash book is a book of original entry. It is also known as a book of original entry. Like when we'll I'll show you the format of the cash book. So how we generally do these particular entries, and what is the format we generally use for the cash book transaction as well. But first thing, I hope what is the difference or like what is the basic meaning or basic uses of cash book is clear to all of you. Okay, so if you see the format of cash book, here you can see, so left side is debit side, so payment side, and if you see the right side, it is your credit side, which is a receipt. Okay, so what like receivables are generally part of your credit entries. Okay, so the entries are same. First one is date, then particular, then reference number or folio number, then folio, we have cash, and we have bank, and we have discount. Similarly for the credit side as well, so we have date, particular, VR number, and we have LF, ledger folio, we have cash, bank, and bank, it is bank. Okay, bank and discounts. So this is the general format we generally use for the cash books. Like whenever you open cash book of any company, like if you use Tally or ERP or even that physical format as well, so you will find these particular entries. So accordingly you have to maintain these particular entries as well. I'll show you some entries which will give you more clarity about the cash book. Okay, so cash book ledger, so these are left side is your debit transaction. Why I am repeating this left side and right side? Because so many time examiner they generally ask this particular question as well. Okay, the credit side, which is your right side. Okay, so on 1st January they paid electricity, water bill, then electricity charges and maintenance. So these all are the expenses for that particular company. So we are generally making these particular payment being a company. So these are left side. So your total bill is 6,500 rupees. And if you talk about the credits, so carried forward balance was 15,000, and cash received for a sale of good 2000, and cash received sale of good on 5000 on different dates. Okay, so your total is 22,000 for this one, and the balance is 15,500 in this particular case. Okay, so guys, the only thing is, like, whenever you talk about the cash book, like after the cash book or after this original entry, these entries are generally transferred to the ledger. Like, we, let's say we have three different vendors, A, B, C. So we did a sale with A, we did a sale with B, we did a sale with C. So we will keep different account for all the vendors. Okay, but in case of cash book, we have journal entries, we have date wise entries. Like first date, we on 1st January we did a transaction, 2nd January, then 3rd January, then 4th January. So this way we generally record this particular data as well. So hope with this particular example you get an idea about the cash book as well. And believe me guys, these are very small things, these are very small concept, but when you try to learn accountancy, so you need a clarity about these particular points, like what is journal, what is cash book, what is your ledger. So like, if you have a clarity about these particular things or these small points, you'll easily understand the upcoming things. Okay, so hope this is clear. If you like the video, please do share with your friends, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. So this is it. Thank you.